Good morning, students. Jai Swaminarayan. Now, you all welcome to sixth semester computer engineering. Now, today we start with unit number 1, Introduction to Internet of Things. This is unit 1, semester 6, computer engineering department, session 2021. Subject name is IoT, Internet of Things. Subject code 3160716. This is Professor Vijay Gadhavi. I took this subject as per Gujarat Technological University in Bachelor of Engineering. This subject is IoT and application. Basically, this is a open elective subject as per GTU prerequisite. It is basically fundamentals of C programming, fundamental of microprocessors, and networking basics. Mainly, Internet of Things plays an important role in connecting the things. For example, variety of devices through the Internet. The IoT has emerged as a cutting-edge technology with application in manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, transport, mining, smart cities, and many more. This subject covers the fundamentals of IoT with its architectures, protocols, and applications. It also covers the overview and programming of two widely used IoT platforms. Two platforms are Arduino and Raspberry Pi. Basically, teaching and examination scheme. It is 2 lecture per week, 2 practicals. Totally 3 credits are there. In examination patterns, there are theory cover 70 marks, and as per mid-sem 30 marks. In practical, there are as per ESC component 30 marks and PA component 20. Overall, this subject cover 150 marks as per GTU. Now, basic overview and content of entire subject. In unit number 1, we are learn Introduction to Internet of Things, in which we are cover application areas of IoT, basic characteristics of IoT, things in IoT, then IoT stack, enabling technologies, IoT challenges, IoT labels, IoT and cyber physical system, then IoT and WSN. In unit number 2, you are learn sensors, microcontrollers and their interface, in which we are learn sensor interfacing, type of sensors, controlling sensors, and microcontrollers and ARMs. In unit number 3, we cover protocols for IoT. This is basically network fundamentals, in which you learn messaging protocols, transport protocols, and you already cover in network subject IP version 4, IP version 6, Internet Protocol version 4 and version 6, and URI. In unit number 4, you start with a cloud for IoT, in which we cover IoT and cloud, fog computing, security in cloud, and few case studies. In unit number 5, application building with IoT, in which we cover various applications of IoT, for example, food, healthcare, laboratory maintenance, water quality, warehouse, retail, driver assistance, and collision impact. In unit number 6, we start with Arduino and Raspberry Pi, in which basically we are covered in Arduino architecture, programming, and applications. In Raspberry Pi, we will learn the architecture, programming, and its application. Then unit number 7, we are cover IoT security, Internet of Things security, in which we cover various security issues and basic need, architecture, requirement, challenges, and algorithms. Then here I suggest a few reference books. First one is Internet of Things. Author is Vasudevan, Nagarajan, and Sundaram. The publications are Wiley India. The second book, IoT Fundamentals, David Hans. This is published by Cisco Press. Third book, 21st IoT Experiments by author is Yashwant Kanitkar. I strongly suggest this book for IoT. Fourth book is IoT based project. Author is Rajesh Singh and publication is BPB. Fifth book is Internet of Things with Arduino and Board. Author is Ashwin Pajankar. Is published by BPB. Sixth book, Start Expert IoT Specialist. It is a STAR certification short-term course which is easily available on internet for few case study and fundamentals. In this subject, we are cover a few practical as per GTU, Gujarat Technological University curriculum, in which practical should be performed by you, that means students, based on using Arduino and Raspberry Pi boards and its software platform, which is available in our laboratory. Few open source software for learning. The basic URLs are tutorialspoint.com, iotworldtoday.com, AWS, Amazon.com, Cisco.com, and Cisco by IoT, IoT network connectivity.html. This is a basic overview of entire subject. In next session, we are start a unit number 1, Introduction to IoT. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.